A hammer drill is a multipurpose tool that bores holes, drives screws, and drills into stone, brick, metal, and other hard materials. In residential settings, a hammer drill is typically used to make holes in walls to run wires or pipe from the outside. Watch full video on for more information on how to choose the best hammer drill from some of the top corded and cordless drill manufacturers on the market. There are many products available to choose best 5 corded hammer drill, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best 5 corded hammer drill from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DEWALT 20V Max Brushless Impact Driver Combo Kit. His DEWALT combo kit may appeal to both DIYers and professionals. The cordless hammer drill makes light work of drilling into tough materials like masonry. The impact driver effortlessly deals with oversized fasteners like deck screws that can sap the energy from even the most powerful standard drill driver. When the DEWALT hammer drill is used on concrete, it offers impressive torque and power. It can drill a half a dozen holes without the hammer drill bogging down or the battery lagging. With this power, beware of your hands and wrists giving out before the hammer drill drains its 20-volt 4-amp-hour battery, as it can keep going and going. One slight downside is that the included leverage bar is made from relatively lightweight plastic. It's durable but may feel cheap. The impact driver comes with a compact nose and 3 speed adjustments. In my personal use of this tool, I was able to insert screws into soft pine wood without the impact motion kicking in. However, when adding pressure and inserting screws into ash wood, the impact motion kicked in and added power to insert the screws more quickly. The impact is smooth and rapid, similar to a well-oiled machine. All in all, it's an excellent set for the money. The drill has a half-inch chuck with a durable, all-metal 11-position clutch. The impact driver delivers a high torque and 3,600 impacts per minute for consistent, fast driving of even the largest fittings. Despite their power, each tool weighs in at just 3.4 pounds. Number 2. ENEACRO 1-1 divided by 4-inch SDS plus 12.5 amp heavy duty. Despite the relatively slow top operating speed of 880 revolutions per minute, this rotary hammer drill is backed by a 12.5 amp motor in order to produce superior penetrating power. When smaller drills just can't get the job done, the ENEACRO 12.5 amp heavy-duty rotary hammer drill is up for the task. Built for power and durability, this heavy-duty corded hammer drill boasts exceptional penetration power to punch through concrete, brick, mortar, and stone. Equipped with a drill mode, hammer drill mode, and hammer mode, users can rely on this hammer drill to act as both a lightweight jackhammer and a powerful drill to help them complete their project. It comes with a modest accessory set as well as a hard plastic carrying case to keep the rotary drill safe when it's not in use. Product specs: power source, corded. Modes of operation: hammer, drill, and hammer drill. Chuck size: 1/4 inch. Pros: powerful operation for breaking through masonry material. 880 revolutions per minute operation. Included accessory set: removable auxiliary handle. Cons: corded operation limits maneuverability. Number 3. Skil 7.5 amp half and corded hammer drill. Investing in a new hammer drill for the workshop is well worth the time, but don't forget that the drill can't function without compatible drill bits or driver bits. This half-inch corded hammer drill from Skil makes sure that users have what they need to get to work immediately. The 7.5 amp hammer drill has a top speed of 3 revolutions per minute, and it comes with a 100-piece drill bit set. While many combo kits offer a few accessories to bolster the appeal of the drill, this product is actually designed to be paired together. It even comes with an all-in-one hard plastic carrying case that can hold the drill in the bottom compartment, and the 100-piece drill bit set in the top compartment for convenient transportation and storage. Product specs: power source, corded. Modes of operation: hammer and drill. Chuck size: half-inch. Pros: all-in-one carrying case. 3 revolutions per minute operation. Included 100-piece drill bit set. Removable auxiliary handle. Cons: corded operation limits maneuverability. Number 4. DEWALT 20V Max XR Compact Hammer Drill Kit. Increase portability within the workshop and while working around the home or even outdoors with this cordless hammer drill by DEWALT. The DEWALT 20V Max XR Compact Hammer Drill has a beefy 20-volt battery, and its brushless motor offers superior performance while reducing friction and overheating. This allows the drill to last for a longer time than a similar model with a brushed motor, ensuring users won't need to replace the hammer drill anytime soon. The drill comes with 2 speed settings and a built-in LED flashlight to illuminate the workspace. Attach drill bits and compatible screwdriver bits to the half-inch metal chuck for secure bit gripping strength. Once the job is done, pack the drill, battery charger, and the 2 included batteries in the carrying case for safe storage. Product specs: power source, cordless. Modes of operation: hammer drill and drill. Chuck size: 1/2 inch. Pros: spare battery, 2 revolutions per minute operation. Included carrying case, built-in LED light. Cons: cordless operation is limited by battery life. Number 5, Makita HP20503 divided by 4 hammer drill. While it can be a drawback in certain circumstances, a corded hammer drill connected directly to an electrical outlet or an extension cord is typically more powerful than a similar corded model. This 3/4 inch Makita hammer drill takes advantage of the additional power to operate at a top speed of 900 revolutions per minute, making it easier to drill through tough material at a faster rate. Users can choose between hammer and drill mode, depending on the project, and can also set the speed between low or high. The corded hammer drill comes with a removable auxiliary handle to improve control, and it has a depth gauge that fastens directly to the top of the drill, so users can quickly check the depth while they work. Pack up the drill into the included carrying case for transportation or storage when the work is complete. Product specs: power source, corded. Modes of operation: hammer drill and drill. Chuck size: 3/4 inch. Pros: affordable price, 900 revolutions per minute operation. Included carrying case and depth gauge. Removable auxiliary handle. Cons: corded operation limits maneuverability. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know the product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool product. Is it going to make your life much easier? Thanks for watching. Have a great day.